Hi, guys, and welcome back to Coupon with the Lady. It is once again time to go over to CVS Pharmacy and see what deals we can break down for next week's sale. Now, this sale is going to be for the week of March the 11th, 2018. It's going to be a pretty good one, and we have lots of deals to get to. But stick around to the end of the video. I did an extra clip of the puppies for you. So our first deal is on the Colgate Max or 2-in-1 toothpaste. They're on sale for $2.99, and when you buy one, you'll get back 2 ECBs. Use the 50-cent off one coupon from the Smart Source 31118. You'll pay $2.49 and get back 2 ECBs, making those like only 49 cents each. Next up is the Easter M&Ms. They are on sale, 2 for $5. We're going to be getting an instant red box coupon for $1 off of 2 bags, and there is $1 off of 2 coupon from the 225 red plum to pair up with it. You would pay $1.50 for each bag, and then go over to Ibotta to look for a rebate. We have a mix and match deal coming up that you can do many different ways, but one way that you could do it is to buy 2 of the Purcell at $4.94, 2 of the All at 2 for $6, and 2 of the Snuggle for 2 for $6. You would use 2 of the Purcell coupons that are coming out in this weekend's inserts, and 2 of the All or Snuggle coupons coming out in the same inserts. You would pay $13.88 and get back 5 ECBs, making those about $1.48 for each product. Then go over and look at Saving Star because there has been a $5 rebate available on those products. Now be sure you look really closely at the coupons. Some of those coupons may say limit of 1 per shopping trip. If they do, be sure you break your transactions. Now, the Irish Spring Body Wash is on sale for $3.99. If you use 3 of the $1 off 1 coupons from the 311 inserts, you would only pay $8.97, but you would get back 5 ECBs for buying 3 of them. That makes those only like $1.32 each, and it would be even better with a Redbox coupon. This next one comes with a decision. You can do this 3 different ways. The Maybelline, L'Oreal, and CoverGirl are all on sale. You can buy 2 of any of them and get back 5 ECBs. So if you choose the Maybelline, you would pick up 2 of the single eyeshadows. You would use 2 of the $1 off 1 coupons from the 3-4 red plum, pay $5.98 and get back 5 ECBs. If you choose the L'Oreal single eyeshadows, they are $5.99. You would use 2 of the $2 off 1 coupons from the 3-4 inserts, and you would pay $7.98, getting back 5 ECBs. Or you could pick up 2 of the CoverGirl eye and brow liners at $4.69. Use one of those buy one get one free CoverGirl product printables, or you could use 2 of the $3 off 1 printables if you still have those. You would pay $4.69 and get back 5 ECBs, making those free plus a moneymaker. Next up is this fun little deal. If you picked up 2 of the Hershey Cookie Layer Crunch bars at 88 cents, you could use one of the 50-cent off 2 coupons from the 128 Smart Source. You would only pay $1.26 for both, making those only 63 cents. So there's a hair color deal coming out on the Clairol hair color. When you buy 2, you'll get back 5 ECBs. So pick up 2 of the Clairol hair colors at $8.49. Use 2 of the $5 off 2 coupons from the 225 Smart Source. You'll pay $11.98 and get back 5 ECBs. That makes those about $3.50 each. It'd be an even better deal, though, if you had a Redbox coupon or a percent off coupon. The Hershey's Easter candy is on sale 3 for $8. If you use one of the $2 off 3 coupons from the 311 Smart Source, you'll only pay $6, making those only $2 a bag. Here's a diaper deal on Pampers. They are $9.99 a bag. When you spend $30, you'll get back 10 ECBs. So pick up 3 bags. That'll bring you up to $29.97. Use one of the Send a Card coupons from the CVS.com or CVS app, and then use one of the $3 off 2 Pampers coupons from the 34P&G. You'll pay $24.97 and get back 10 ECBs. As it stands, that makes them $4.99 a bag. But if you've got a red box coupon to pair up with that, it would be a great deal. Dove Hair Care is on sale 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you'll get back 2 ECBs. So pick up 2 of them. Use the $3 off 2 coupon from the Red Plum 225. You'll pay $5 and get back 2 ECBs. That makes those only $1.50 each, and it applies to beauty. Now, just because that's the end of the deal breakdowns doesn't mean it's the end of the sales. There's lots of other sales that you could choose from, so be sure to check out the ad for yourself and see which might work for you. Then go over to my website. I'll drop the link below, or go to www.couponwiththelady.com, and I'll have the breakdowns there for you to copy down or take a screenshot with your phone and take it to the store, whatever works for you. Now, I am also going to remind you, go look at Saving Star and check out your Ibotta and check out 51s as well. There's some really good coupons that have come out recently too, so don't forget to look at the coupons at coupons.com or swagbucks.com. Now I'm going to leave you with some video of the puppies. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to share. Talk to you later. Bye.